Hi everyone, it's Kim here. I am doing a journal, or I just did a journal card, heart in this case, for a layout that I was doing for my grandma for her 101st birthday that she had last year. And I thought it might be fun to kind of share, and I've done other videos like this, but I thought it might be fun to share this one because the only one that I've done, I think on my video, the shape was just a rectangle. So here's what we're going to do here is the heart. I'm having a hard time talking here. All right, let me show you exactly what I did here. I selected shapes in the left margin bar thing and just created that. Now I needed to see the print, so I went over to the right. Let me try to zoom. I'm going to move my camera out just a minute. I'm just noticing that I don't have my entire screen in there. Okay, so I go over to the right and I'm going to click on what now is the black heart, or the circle in this case, if you can see right over there. Okay, and I'm going to choose white. Now you're just going to choose your text, and I'm going to say hello people. How's that? Period. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Okay. Now, if you, obviously you can't fit that all on that little heart there, take a step back for a minute. So you want to make sure that when you're doing your journaling that you're picking a writing font. Now, in order to do that, you're going to click on. Let me go back here a second. You're going to click on your text, and then up here in the left, just click on that down arrow, and it gives you all the fonts. Now for me, I went over to the filter button and I did the writing font, and I actually liked the calligraphy one. That's the one I picked, and it is called calligraphy. Oops, I think I passed it. Calligraphy Collection from Celebrate, and it says it right here: single layer cutting or writing, so you'll know you've got the right one. All right, so the next step I did was I went ahead and clicked on all the writing, and I changed the font size, and I dropped it all the way down to 8. And as you can see, it makes it really tiny. Now for this amount of writing, for this size heart, you could almost do a 10. All right, now second thing is, you notice how everything is over to the left margin. You want to click on a line and center it. Then you want to go ahead and you want to attach it so that it will write out the writing, and then it will cut the journal heart for you. So in order to do that, you want to go ahead and highlight the whole thing. You're going to click down on the bottom right corner down here where it says attach. And then you're going to make it. Now this one here is the one that I did for my grandma. And I will show that to you when I'll grab it here off the layout that I just did. And then you're going to say make it. And that's exactly what it's going to do. I had this one on my mat as well, so that's why it's showing it. But it will write it out, and then it will cut out the heart. Now, journaling on the Cricut is amazing, because if you make a mistake, you can go back and correct it, to where quite often I'll be rushed in a moment and I'll be writing out and I go, oh man, I did a spelling error, or it smears or whatever it is, and then you're kind of bummed that it's done that to the layout. So let me grab the layout here, sitting over here on my craft desk. I'm just going to pop it right up here in front of the camera, and that's how it turns out. Okay, hopefully this is helpful. If you have any questions about what else to do, just leave a comment and I'll definitely get back to you. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.